You can see the error like this, an installation file did not download. And if you see the error like this, after 9 attempts there was a problem downloading the frame file. So in this, if you get this error, then first of all go to the services, just search the services, and after services, after going the services, just search the CNG key isolation. CNG key isolation, you can see this is running. First of all, just click on the stop option, stop the services, and click on the yes. This is stop now, and after that click here and again start the services. After doing this, just cancel from here, and this is my error. You can see, you may have also this types of error. And again go to your control panel, and then uninstall the program, and you can see this is Microsoft Visual Studio installer. If you have installed the Microsoft, okay, this is my install file by Visual Studio Community 2022. If you have installed, just uninstall this, click on the uninstall, click on the OK. Now our uninstallation is successfully completed. If I refresh this, now you can see my Visual Studio Community 2022 is already gone. This is the installer file, so you can use already installed installer file, or you can download the another one, but we can use the already installed. This is already installed the Visual Studio 2022 set of file, or you can just search, you can just type the Visual Studio download option and you can download it from here. You can download from it here, choose the community version. Otherwise, if you have already installed this, no need to delete this option, this installer. Just double click here option and click on the continue option, and again choose whatever you want. We need a .NET desktop development. If you need any other things, you can choose from here and click on the install option, and it will starting download operation. And in this way you can download your Visual Studio installer. If you get this error again, so you may have to restart your PC at once, otherwise it will work. I will show you after installation is completed. Now you can see our installation and download part is completed. So you can just click here and it will show the sign into Visual Studio, and you can sign in through your account, or you can create account. But now I'm skipping just now, so I click here skip for now, and it will show the dark mode, blue mode, or blue extra constant, or light mode. I choose the dark mode and I just start the Visual Studio. So in this way you can download the Visual Studio code in your system. Guys, if you find this video is helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. And if you have any confusion related to this video, then you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Thank you.